Sir, good day, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good day, everyone. Teachers.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Alright, team. As we continue to grow, it's a crucial that we have a structured process for interviewing potential candidates. Raji, can you lead us through this initiative?
Of course, dudes. Developing a solid interview process is to keep finding the right candidates for our team. Here's what I propose. Number 1. Define the job description. We need to clearly outline the roles and responsibilities in the position we're hiring for. This will help us determine their skills and qualifications. We're looking for in candidates. Number 2. Create interview questions. Developing a set of questions that will help us assess the candidate's skills, experience, and fit for our company culture. These questions should be open-ended and designed to elicit detailed responses. Number 3. Schedule interviews. Once we have a list of potential candidates, we should schedule interviews in a time manner. This shows respect for the candidate's time and keeps the hiring process moving forward. Number 4. Conduct interviews. During the interviews, we should take detailed notes on each candidate's responses overall impression. This will help us inform decisions later on. Number 5. Evaluate candidates. After all the interviews are completed, we should evaluate each candidate based on their skills, experience, and fit for our company. This can be done through a scoring system or a simple pros and cons list. Number 6. Make a decision. Finally, we need to make a decision on which candidate to hire. This will be based on our evaluation and the needs of our team.
That sounds like a solid plan, Reggie. I think we should follow these steps if we're able to find the right candidates to help us grow as our team.
I agree. Let's move forward this plan and start implementing it right away. Raji, please draft up a formal procedure based on the steps for us to interview and finalize.
We good, guys. I'll have it ready for your review by the end of the week.
Excellent. Thank you, Raji and Manu, for your input. I am confident that with this structured approach, we will be able to find the best candidate to be our team. Thank you for your cooperation overall. Let's conclude our meeting. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, sir.
Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Thank you.